Kia Sedona has been spending time on the sidelines while updated versions of the Honda Odyssey and the Chrysler Pacifica have dominated minivan headlines the past few years. The Odyssey has impressed with its reinvigorated chassis and new features, while the sleek, well-appointed Pacifica has added a first-ever plug-in hybrid version, with this mid-cycle refresh. Kia hopes to remind everybody that the attractive Sedona still exists and offers a well-rounded package. On the exterior, Kia wanted the Sedona to align with newer designs in its lineup, such as the freshly updated Forte Compact. The minivan's front fascia receives minor alterations with exaggerated lines, edgier cuts, and a pronounced chin, while the rear gets tweaked with new chrome trim pieces and a restyled bumper. Both the front and rear headlights have been redesigned, with LED headlamps standard on the top 2 of 6 trim levels, SX and SXL. The rear side door handles on the mid-range X trim and above now have a button to actuate the sliding doors, and the 17, 18, and 19-inch wheels all get makeover. The interior has also been updated with more tech, more convenience features, and a fresh look. The dashboard has been refined with minor nips and tucks, the instrument cluster has restyled graphics, and a new wireless device charger is available for the center console. An electronic parking brake is standard on SX and SXL models. Seating arrangements remain the same, with either 7 or 8 passenger setups. A 2-seat second row offers reclining captain's chairs with footrests, while the 3-seat second row uses Kia's slide and stow setup. The seat cushions rotate vertically as the bench slides forward, enabling them to move farther forward out of the way, and the available 60-40 split folding third row continues to be retractable into the cargo floor. On the safety front, the Sedona was already fairly well equipped. The 2018 model currently offers forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. For 2019, Kia is adding a driver attention feature that, when the system deems the driver needs it, will blink and sound alerts to suggest taking a break from the road, whereas the Odyssey and Pacifica adopted state-of-the-art powertrain components such as a 10-speed automatic transmission or a hybrid version. Kia has only partly updated what's under the Sedona's hood. Gone is the previous 6-speed automatic transmission in favor of a new 8-speed unit, yet power still comes from the same 276 horsepower 3.3-liter V6 engine. Kia has kept quiet on pricing and availability, but we should learn more about that before sales commence, likely later this year.